Hi, welcome or welcome back, depending. Today I got a box from Ulta. We're gonna open it, do something a little bit different, so this should be fun. I tried opening it as best I could, which is not that great. But with all the stores closing, with all this quarantine hoopla, I decided to order online. Who doesn't like ordering online? So, oh yeah, I remember these. So I bought some things from EcoTools. I got the blender and a complexion brush. I've never tried the brand. I've always seen them, so I wanted to try them out. And then I also kind of wanted to see how doing my makeup with a brush versus a blender would be. Just because I've never really wanted to do the brush. It kind of like turns me away from it, just because I feel like all my makeup's going to get soaked up into all the little bristles and disappear. But then again, like the same thing happens to a sponge. So give them both a try. What else do we have? Oh. Packing material, because you never know. Receipt, like I'm gonna return anything. No, I used to. Oh, I got a pencil sharpener. I never sharpen things, so I think this will come in handy. Usually I get to the end of like a pencil or to where I can't quite get it wherever I need it, and then I just leave it somewhere. That's a really bad habit that I want to try and break, so that'll be helpful. I actually got these ahead of time. I'm kind of planning ahead. I got these hair masks. Not for me, but for my mother for Mother's Day. I'm gonna put together something that's kind of like a self-care package going along with the theme of how things are right now. I want to try and do like some hair stuff. I have some oil for her skin, some lotion. I have this really good Bath and Body Works, what is it? Soap, hand soap that she loves. So I'm gonna create maybe, and these are gonna go in there. Happy I got those. Also, ooh, more packing material, but this one I got for me. I'm excited to try it. I'm super in love with matcha. The taste, I've never put it on my skin or my hair, but this is matcha green tea and wild apple blossom. It's a deep conditioner for my hair, because we all know this isn't exactly natural. It's a little bit of upkeep, more nourishing that I have to do to my hair than anything else. So this is gonna come in handy, because I'll use like my purple shampoo, and I'll have like the purple conditioner. Mostly the purple shampoo. I love to use that because when I get out of the shower, it's just bam, right there in your face, blunt. And that's not always the best. It really dries my hair out, makes it feel really coarse. So I feel like coming in with a good deep conditioner is going to help me out a lot. And self-care and stuff. So there's that. Also, I've had my eye on this guy for a while. It's the Ulta Beauty Watermelon Face Mist, Watermelon Extract, Aloe, and it's going to refresh and revive your skin. Super cute. I love watermelon too, so I mean, why not? We'll give it a try. It should be pretty good. We'll try that. I wanted these for so long, and I was so upset. I got a gift card for my birthday to Sephora, and these have been sold out at Sephora for the longest time. And I come to find out during Ulta's sale, their big haul sale, that they now carry the Ordinary, and I am so excited to try these. I got the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. and the high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. So we're gonna exfoliate and nourish. I'm stoked. I don't know how you can be excited about these. It'll be great. I just don't know if it's gonna go along with like my normal beauty routine, or am I gonna have to do something else, switch it up a bit, but we'll give it a go. And that's it. Super excited with everything I purchased though. Very glad that I got it. So we'll see how this all goes. I think I'm gonna use some of these in some upcoming videos, so we'll see. I also think that I'm gonna start posting a little more regularly. I wanna aim for Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Mostly because I don't see very many people posting on those days, so it'll be a good time for everyone who's on their downtime from their regular YouTube stars. They can just come over, chill with me, watch a little bit of this, and enjoy. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you want to see. And that's it. Okay, bye.